Hello everybody, I am Pisan Kumpi from Bangkok, Thailand, MMM Global Manager, Guided School 23rd Batch Feedback Video. First thing to say, I really appreciated that I was accepted in 23rd MMM Global Guided School. I have great experience here with this class. It opened my world about MMM system and financial system in this world. I actually learning about ideology, history, rule, and benefits of MMM, how they work, and know a lot of things that make me MMM manager, how to attraction people to join MMM in offline and online social media, like YouTube and Facebook, learn about how to present to people. I truly like business games that simulated many situations that make us work as a team, that can brainstorming and have a discussion to solve the problem. Thank you very much to Sergey Mavodi, Mac, MMM Guided School staff, our team, and our classmates. Together we can change the world. Thank you very much.